Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Martinez and I'm a member of Cisco TAC LAN switching team. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful features of the Catalyst 9300 switches, stack power. In essence, stack power allows switches within the same stack to share their power supplies as if they were in a single power pool. This means that if one power supply fails, the other switches can compensate for that load, preventing unnecessary downtime. It is fundamentally intelligent power redundancy. First, let's look at what stack power actually does. Think of it as a unified pool of energy. Instead of each member switch relying solely on its own power supplies, stack power allows switches in a stack to share their power resources. If one power supply fails, the stack intelligently redistributes the load. This isn't just about redundancy, it's about operational efficiency, allowing you to manage your power budget as a single flexible resource. Now, before you start configuring, keep these requirements in mind. First, you need the specific stack power cables. These are different from your data stacking cables. You can have up to 4 switches in a single stack power domain. Also, consistency is key. Try to use power supplies of the same wattage across your switches. And remember, all switches must be part of the same configured domain to share that power pool effectively. Before making any changes, we must understand the current state. For this, you need to open the switch terminal and use two key commands. The first is show stack power detail. This command gives us a complete X-ray, how much power budget we have, how much we are consuming, and if there are any cable errors. The second command is show environment power all. This allows us to see the operational status of each individual power supply. If you see anything in a not redundant, faulty, or bad state, this is where you will detect it. Sometimes, due to maintenance or topology changes, we need to disable or enable a stack power port. The syntax is very simple. Enter privilege mode and use stack power switch, number, port, number, and then simply add enable or disable. It is important to remember that by disabling a port, that switch will stop contributing or receiving power from the pool, so make sure you have enough budget before doing so. Finally, let's talk about power priorities. Think of this as an emergency sharing policy. When the stack experiences a power deficit, it needs to know exactly what to keep running. We manage this at two levels. First, switch priority. This determines the importance of the switch itself. A value of 1 is the highest priority. If the stack is forced to power down an entire switch to save the rest of the stack, it will start with the switch that has the lowest priority, meaning the highest value configured. Second, port priority. This determines which PoE loads are shed first. You can assign ports to one of two levels, high or low, and then set the priority value. Ports in the low level are shed first, from the lower to higher priorities. By configuring this, you ensure that even during a power crisis, your most essential services remain online, while non-essential ports are powered down intelligently. You configure this on the port or switch level using the following commands. Configure terminal, then go to stack power switch and switch number, then power priority switch and priority number, then power priority high and priority number, and then power priority low and priority number. Mastering Stackpower not only gives you peace of mind, but also optimize the availability of your infrastructure. Thanks for watching this video and for choosing Cisco.